Every week we're contacted by schools or SI practitioners about setting up a new SI environment. That journey begins with me coming to a room like this to take some measurements to see if it's a suitable and safe environment for the people looking to use it. So not only do we need to think about the height of the room, the width, the length of the room, but there's loads of other stuff we need to think about as well. It's often items that aren't taken into consideration, but we have to look for when we come into the room. So we need to think about radiators, we need to think about doors opening into the room, cupboards and windows. All of that type of thing we measure up when we first visit the site to see if it's a suitable area for something like this to be installed. And yeah, sometimes we break people's hearts because the room's just not quite big enough. For example, this swing, the platform swing, needs 1.8 meters in radius so that if you're swinging on it, you don't bang into anything. If the room isn't quite big enough for a swing, then we will find a workaround. We can always set up a sensory circuit and work on it that way. But it's really important that we create for you a safe environment so that your users aren't bashing into something and hurting themselves. So as you can see, measuring a room is not as straightforward as you might have thought. And that's because we need to gain as much information as possible so that we can make your environment as safe as possible.